Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can design your own page template with Elementor. So as you can see, this is the default page layout of oceanWP theme. On the left hand panel you will see the content area, on the right hand panel we have a sidebar area. Yes, of course you can customize it with customizer, but I will show you how we can turn this page template to this. As you can see, on the left hand panel we have the details of you or the website owner, and on the right hand side we have, on the top panel we have the menu area, and beneath that we have the page content. So if you click the home, it will pull up all the content from home page, so that we don't need to follow the default style of any particular theme. So let's create this page template. So it's very easy, actually it's already there in Elementor. So let me show you how we can turn this into this. So first of all, you need to go to this Elementor My Template section, and all we need to do is need to create a new template. Go to the single tab and choose add new single. Under select post type, choose page and name, give it a name. So let's give it a name of single page. Let's create template. So we don't need any Elementor library, so let's close this. First of all, we need to hide the header and footer. So click this cog icon and choose page layout to Elementor canvas. So it will hide all of the extra things, so we are good to go. So first of all, we need to create this left panel and then on the right panel. So let's add a section first and give it the top padding 90 and bottom 90. So this will be the background holder. So let's add a background image. Let's position it to center and size cover. Also let's add a white backdrop. So this is our background image of this section. This is the background image. Okay, so let's create the left panel. So just duplicate this column and make first column to 30% width or maybe 25%, and on the first column let's give it a background color of white. And first of all, let's add an image in here, image, and you can make this image section dynamic, of course. So let's just use this image. So this is our image. Under that we need to add a title or the name of the owner. So this is the title. Make it center. Choose the text color to like black or dark gray. Increase the font size and transform it to uppercase. So this is our name. Underneath the name we can add some information. Let's add a text area that will show some details about this. So this is our text area, and let's make this widget stretch to 10 pixel. So let's little bit closer and give it a top margin 20 pixel. Okay, so now it's a little bit closer. Let's add a divider just underneath the text. So divider, this is the divider, and let's reduce the gap and give it a very light gray color. And under the divider let's add the social icons. This is our social icons. So let's add the Instagram in here also. Go to the style and color to custom. Keep the primary color transparent color and the secondary color black or dark gray. Let's put black and reduce the size a bit, just like you want. So this is our, as you can see, this is our section. So our left panel is done. And let's work on the right hand panel. So first of all, let's click this right hand panel and give it a white background and give it a left margin of 30 pixels, so it's not just near to this area. And after that, let's create this menu area. So let's add a new section in here and make it one column by deleting the first one, and column gap to no gap. We don't want any gap in menus. So after that, just drag the nav menu widget in here. So this is our menu, and give this section a little bit darkish color, like very light gray color. So this is the color, and select the menu widget and choose pointer to background. So this is our background. Go to this style section, go to this hover area, choose pointer color to white and text color to dark maybe. Go to the active area, pointer color to white and text color little bit gray. So now it's done. As you can see, this is our tab. Okay, so let's add the page title and the content. So let's add a new section just underneath this one, or just duplicate this section, remove this menu, but let's give it a background of white. And first of all, let's add the page title. Drag the heading in here, make it dynamic. Click this dynamic and choose page title. Let's choose the font color and font size, and also transform to uppercase. So now we are done with the heading. Let's add some padding, 30 pixel padding, and all around our section, or maybe a little less, 20 pixel. Okay, so this is our heading. Let's add a divider just under this. So divider, and reduce the gap, increase the weight, make it double, or make it 4 pixel, and choose the color, maybe this blue color. Okay, it's looking better. Or maybe just give it a negative margin to make it closer to the heading. Little too close. It's maybe minus 10 pixel. Now perfect. This is our heading section. The page header, let's add the content area. So just under this divider, let's add the main content area. So choose post content in here and drag and drop it just in here. This, I don't know, sometimes it doesn't work. So let's go to this navigator and put the divider just above the post area. So now we are done. So this is our content. You can also add any footer if you want. So let's for example, just below this content area, we need to add a footer in here, a new section, and add a footer, maybe some text, copyright text. Let's make it center and copyright. Just like that, and put a margin, maybe 60 pixel margin from top. So click publish. When we are done, let's click add condition, and from all singular, let's select all pages. You can also choose all singular. Let's select all pages, and you can also choose any particular page and click publish. So now if we refresh our page in here, as you can see, it's following our default design. Just we have just created. So this is our footer, this is our content. You will go to the home. The home doesn't have any content right now, so it's empty. If you add new page and add new menu item, it will automatically populate in this area. So this is how you can create custom page template of your own.